In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Exness MT5 Send account. Now to do this, first sign into your Exness personal area, go to the top left, click on Trading, and then click on Accounts. From here, as you can see, you have Real and Demo, and if you want to open a Send account, you want to select Real because you can't actually open a Demo Send account. So once you're inside Real, click on Open Account. And then from here, you have Standard and Professional. As you can see here, we have the Standard Send. So click on that and click on Continue. From here, you can see you can only select Real because Demo is not available. And then you have to pick your currency. You have to pick your nickname you want to use. I'm going to leave this at Standard Cent and add USC over here, United States Cent. And of course, here you can also select your max leverage. I'm going to do 1 to 100. And then the platform is going to be MT5. Then trading password, you want to type in whatever your trading password you want to have. So I'm actually going to put this one and hit the create account button. And there we go. That's really all you have to do. Your account has been opened and created, and it's now over here. You can go and deposit from it, or of course do it, withdraw from it, trade it, etc. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.